How to create an online class team. Using Microsoft Teams, you can create an online classroom space with students. The class team function is great for remote teaching and learning, but also for managing your classwork in a face-to-face environment. The class team has unique permissions and features for teachers and students. You can assign work, share class content, start meetings and chat with the class. From within Microsoft Teams, click on the Teams button on the left to see a list of your teams. From there, click on the Join or Create Team button. Click Create Team and select a class team. Enter a name for your team. Click Next to continue. You can immediately add students or other teachers to your team, but you might like to do this later when your team is more established. Click Skip to add team members later. Once your team is created, you can add channels by clicking on the three dots to the right of the team name. Select Add Channel. Channels are used to organise the information within your team, for example, by subject, by faculty, or by topic. Provide a name for your channel. Select the checkbox to automatically show and then click Add. Repeat for remaining channels. You can add more at any stage as you need them by repeating these steps. If you'd like advice on structuring your team, feel free to get in touch with the Technology Adoption team within ICT Services. Once you've created your channels, you can manage the team permissions. This allows you to manage student behaviour in the online space as you would in a classroom environment. To manage your team, click the three dots to the right of your team name and select Manage Team. Click on Settings and then Member Permissions. Here, you can decide what you would like students to be able to do. For example, do you want them to be able to delete or edit their messages? If not, untick the last two options. Go to Fun Stuff to select whether you would like to allow students to use stickers and memes in their posts. If you have a new student join your class and need to add more members to your team, click the Members button and then Add Member. Add students to the Student tab and other teachers to the Teachers tab. We recommend having at least 2 teachers in each team to help moderate student behaviour.